Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that can feel a bit overwhelming, but is actually pretty simple once you get the hang of it. Healthy living without processed foods. Now, when I say processed foods, I'm not talking about every single thing that comes in a package. I mean those heavily altered foods that are often full of extra sugar, unhealthy fats, artificial ingredients, and things you can barely pronounce. Cutting these out can feel like a big step, but it's one of the most impactful changes you can make for your health. Let's talk about why and how to do it in an easy way. Think about it this way. Our bodies are designed to run on real, whole ingredients, things that come from nature, not a factory. When we fill up on highly processed stuff, it's often lacking in the fiber, vitamins, and minerals our bodies truly need. Plus, all that extra sugar and unhealthy fats can lead to energy crashes, weight gain, and long-term health issues. Shifting away from them helps your body function at its best, giving you more consistent energy, better mood, and often a healthier weight. So, how do we start? It's not about being perfect overnight, but about making small, consistent swaps. The golden rule is to focus on whole, unprocessed ingredients. Think about the perimeter of the grocery store. Fresh fruits, vegetables, lean meats, fish, eggs, and dairy. These are your foundational foods. Instead of a sugary breakfast cereal, try oatmeal with fresh fruit and nuts. Ditch the pre-packaged microwave meals and embrace simple cooking with fresh ingredients. For snacks, swap out chips for an apple with nut butter, a handful of raw almonds, or some carrot sticks with hummus. It's about getting back to basics. Cooking at home becomes your superpower here. When you cook, you're in control of every ingredient. You decide how much salt, sugar, and fat goes into your meal. You don't need to be a gourmet chef. Simple meals like roasted vegetables with baked chicken or a hearty lentil soup are incredibly nourishing and easy to prepare. And don't be afraid to experiment with herbs and spices for flavor, instead of relying on sauces packed with hidden ingredients. Batch cooking on the weekends can be a lifesaver, ensuring you have healthy options ready to go during busy weekdays. Embracing a lifestyle with fewer processed foods is about nourishing your body with what it truly thrives on. It might take a little practice, but the energy, clarity, and overall well-being you gain are absolutely worth it. It's about eating simply, eating well, and feeling amazing.